In this lesson, we will consider the DAX function distinct get data. Now see here, we have duplicates. This is duplicate of this. This is duplicate. This is duplicate of this one. So we do load. We build our first report, vanilla data. Don't need sum here, so we click this one and then summarize. Don't summarize this. Then we pick ID. We don't need sum of sales also, or let's leave it for now. Don't summarize. So we will create another table. Now we go back here and now we can enable the sum. Then we go to the data, new table. We call that as table unique and on this we call the function distinct of the date, data duplicate on ID. Okay, and we hit cross. Now go to manage relationship, new TBL unique, and this we match the ID, one to many. That's okay. Close. In the diagram we pick the ID from here and sales from here. So now you see ID and sales is summarizing. ID of one, it has one entry here, another one here. 200. 2 is 200, 3 is 300, ID 4 is 250. ID 5 has 2 entries. Now, We come here, we remove this sum. Okay, we remove the sum. We drop a new one. ID with the sale. So now we don't have the duplicates. We are not have sum. January 1, 2020. 200. Let me increase the font. Okay. Hundred. It's not combining them. February 1, 2022. Then third, then fourth, for fifth. This is how you do it. Suppose we want the sales to be also summarized, so we will summarize it. Now we can delete this, or we can put a new one. In this we put ID, this ID, or either one, sales. Now it has summarized it. Now it has done the sum. Now you can see both the reports side by side. You cannot do that. Okay, I don't have time for this. Total of the ID1 is 200. Total of ID2 is 200, 300, and this total is 700. So this is about how we can do a distinct and get the result.